So we got all that, these. Had people come out the door.
Well, as soon as our house sells, so that's, we're not going into the house now. No, I'm not.
Good girl. Good girl. This way. Good. Good girl. Easy, good girl. Ready, turn. This way. Oh yeah, good girl. Good girl. You were sitting in the same spot for a while, weren't you? Great. Good girl. Ready? This way. Oh yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good. You did good. This way. Marcie. Yeah, see, you gotta listen. You gotta listen. Yeah. You did good. You did good. Yeah, that's quite a bit, huh? Yeah, flooding's not good for training, is it? No, it's not. No, it's not.